We just finished up this beautiful Mach 1 1971 Mustang, the 351 in it. So I'm going to show you guys what we've done. Long tube headers there and there. And then we did them a custom H-pipe, as you guys can see right there. There's the long tubes, and we built them this custom H-pipe right there. And cleaned up the rest of the pipe into his mufflers. And they're hooker mufflers there and there. Okay, tailpipes out the back on each side. Everything's clearing, everything's nice. Look at that, it's beautiful. Work of art. That's how we like to do it here. There's the tips out the back on each side. Compared to what was on it before, it was all pieced together because he had to put a transmission in it. So he cut it and did it himself, which is not too bad for being a home job, you know? Check that out. It's really clean. So he took all that out. And on top of that, believe it or not, guys, he painted this car himself. Took him 4 months to do the body work and paint it, but it came out really clean. I was shocked when he told me he painted it himself. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. I love his license plate. That's for sure. Always. Forget the electric crap. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. So clean, guys. Like, woo! 4-speed. Even better. Yeah. See, the new cars, you can't even fit anybody in the back. Here, you can fit them. Look. It's really nicely done. Whoever did the paint job did a really nice paint job on it, too. Here we go. All right, guys. 1972 Mach 1 Mustang with a 410 stroker motor. Look at this sucker. It's clean. You don't see these every day. It's a work in progress. He's fixing it up little by little. So he's got long tube headers there and there. Then he's got his own exhaust system that he had with an H-pipe installed somewhere else. And then he had some hooker mufflers there and there installed. And what we did is we ran him 2 tailpipes, one on each side right there and right there, as you guys can see. And put him some new tips on it to finish the look. Looks really nice, really clean. It's all a 2.5-inch system all the way back. So hooker mufflers, 2.5-inch pipe, H-pipe for cross flow, and long tube headers. There and there. Very nice, very clean, as you guys can see, all the way back. So we're about to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know, I always had a fond liking for these. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think of this body style? Should they bring it back, the Mach 1, or not? I think they should. It's clean. Check it out on the inside. Interior is all mint. It's a clean car, guys. Look at this thing. Wow. Beautiful. That's how they all need to be. Little by little, gets better and better. With a custom H-pipe, hooker mufflers, and 2.5-inch tailpipes. Go ahead. I like that. It sounds a lot cleaner with the H-pipe. Hear the sound decibels? Give it gas. Yeah, so much better. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 103. I love that idle on it. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital and Due West Avenue on Dickerson Pike. Mach 1 Mustang with a 351 Ram Air. Yeah, it sounds a lot better. It needed that H-pipe in there. Oh, this sounds good. Those hooker mufflers sound really good. Are the headers hookers too? Sound decibels. Again. Sorry guys, they have construction going on. What do you guys think? Should he paint the top black and keep it all like that and just clear coat it or repaint it? Let us know in the comments, guys. Should he repaint it or just paint it like match it up top and bottom and just clear coat it? I say keep it patina and just paint the top black, the wing black, and then just clear coat it. Oh, it sounds so good. Classic muscle. You don't get it out of the new cars anymore like this. Let you guys hear on the inside. I like that color. Where's that color? Ivy blue. Ivy blue. Every day is a different day with different cars. I love that. Nice. Beast mode. I love it. Enjoy, guys. That was awesome. Round two. Round two is better than round one. That's nice right there. There we go. Much better. See? We leave our tracks so we don't get lost. Enjoy, guys. Guys, it makes 530 horses. Look at this thing. Wow. Definitely a sleeper. Beautiful. Really cleanly done. Oh, wow. Very nice. Don't ever underestimate these old cars, guys, because you never know what's under the hood. Hood pins.
They can be tricky sometimes.
Look at that. That's cool. Takes some finagling. But you know what? That's what makes it a classic car.
Yeah.
I love it. Nice. I like the double scoop, double ram hood, dual ram hood. What is it called? Oh, 351 Ram Air. It's got a 410 in it. 510 horsepower. The power of this thing. Oh, he's trying to catch up. Dual action for you. Enjoy, guys. Peace. Move.